I decided to test this strategy myself. With just 2 Pinterest posts, I reached over 60,000 people, got more than 1,000 likes, and over 2,000 clicks. Incredible, right? The competition on Pinterest is still surprisingly low, which is one of the reasons this strategy works so well. I'll share exactly what I did later. I've also been researching different affiliate programs for you to join over the past few weeks, and I've found a top affiliate website that not many people know about to promote home decor products. I'll dive into all the details in the next step. Now, I'm going to show you the perfect home decor affiliate website that I found for you. It's called Max&Mark Home Decor, and trust me, it's a game changer. The best part is, it's completely free to sign up, which is perfect if you're just getting started. By the way, there are a lot of similar sites out there, but I've made it easy for you. I've put the official link in the description below, so just click on it and it'll take you straight to the sign up page. But before you jump in,